Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to create virtual environment using Python. For this you have to install Python prior itself. To check whether the Python has been installed in your system, just click on Windows key plus R and type cmd. You will get a command console. In that, type Python. If you have installed Python successfully, you will be getting a Python console saying the version. So if you don't have a Python, I request you to install Python before creating a virtual environment. Okay, so I'm just creating a new folder. I'm just giving the folder as a Django. So I'm just going to create a Django application. Before creating a Django application, I'm just creating a folder called Django app. So I'm just going to create virtual environment inside this Django app. Since I'm just going to install Django inside this Django app and some other Python packages, I'm just creating a folder called Django. If you need any of the name, you can create the folder in that name. Okay, just open command prompt, just navigate to the folder which we have created. I have created the folder in the desktop, so I'm just going to desktop cd and Django app. So this is my app which I have created. This is my folder where I have created in the desktop. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to create a virtual environment. So in this environment we are going to work. I'm just increasing the font size for your comfort. Hope this will be clear. So now just type Python space. If you are using Python 3, you can mention Python 3 space -m. It means manage virtual environment. V means virtual, env means environment, space. You can give any of the name for your virtual environment. I'm just giving my virtual environment. If you need, you can give any of the name to create your virtual environment in your own name. Just click enter. Okay. So now my system saying Python was not found, run without arguments to install from Microsoft. So if you're getting this error, just type Python space -m venv space my venv. Okay, if you mention Python 3 and if you are getting that error, please ignore Python 3 and just type Python -m. It means manage virtual environment and the environment name which you like. I just gave my venv. This is my virtual environment name. So I have created the virtual environment successfully. Before working on the environment, we have to activate the virtual environment. For that, we have to type our virtual environment name first. So my virtual environment name is my venv. Okay, slash scripts slash activate. Listen, once we have created the virtual environment, we have to activate the virtual environment to work on the virtual environment that we have created. For that, you have to type my venv slash scripts slash activate. Just click on enter. Now you can see that we have activated our virtual environment successfully. You can see my venv. It means that we are working on our virtual environment. So this is how we have to create a virtual environment in Python. Thank you so much.